Zoomed out to show the full recent swing. ES1 just swept a key low and bounced, but the popular fib method completely missed it. Today, we break down why the fib zone and our SMC zone have gone their separate ways for the first time in weeks. Stay with me. Weekly chart. We're looking at ES1 across weekly, daily, 4H, and 2H today. No 1H this session, so we'll lean on the 2H for our lower timeframe read. The weekly is still firmly bullish, but the shorter timeframes are telling a corrective story right now, and that mismatch is exactly what we need to unpack. Weekly chart on the daily, though. The weekly shows clean higher highs and higher lows, with BOS confirming the trend all the way up to the recent high near 7,840. No CHoCH here. Structure is intact. On the daily, though, we got a BOS into that new high, and almost immediately a CHoCH printed right at the top. The same early warning we flagged last session showing up again. Daily chart. BSL pools visible above, SSL pools visible below. There's untapped buy-side liquidity resting above 7,800 to 7,840 from the equal highs up there. On the low side, sell-side liquidity got swept at 76.56 to 76.69, a clean stop run below the recent low, and prices already reacted up off it. Session timing isn't clearly readable from this chart, so we can't confirm a specific kill zone here. Daily chart at cut to 4H, on the 4H. The real order block and imbalance sits deep down around 75.40 to 76.30 on the daily. That's the origin of the whole rally, still completely untested. On the 4H, the more immediate zone is that 76.56 to 76.69 shelf, with a smaller FVG stamped just above it. Medium confluence, and that near zone has already been tested by the sweep. Fib zone graphic. 4H retracement with the 61.8, 78.6% golden zone marked, shown alongside the SMC zone for direct comparison. Here's the interesting part. The popular fib golden zone on the 4H sits up around 7,724 to 7,742, and price just cut straight through it with zero reaction. The real bounce happened almost 60 points lower, right at our SMC zone. That's a conflicting read this time, a break from the overlap we've seen the last few sessions, and exactly why relying on fib alone can leave you standing at the wrong level. 4H chart, or 2H chart, since 1H wasn't available this session. Right now, entry conditions are pending. We've got the sweep and an early reaction, but no displacement candle and no confirmed lower timeframe BOS yet. We need a 2H or 1H close back above the recent lower high with real momentum before this becomes anything more than a watch list idea. Trade plan graphic. Annotated 4H or 2H with entry zone, SL line, TP1 line, TP2 line, and invalidation level clearly marked. If this confirms, we're looking at a long from around 76.80 to 7,700, stop just under 76.45, first target near 77.68, and the bigger target back at that 78.40 high. So we're risking somewhere around 40 to make 90 plus. Call it 1 to 2 or better. But here's the key part. This idea is dead the moment we get a 4H close back below 76.56 or a fresh daily CHoCH confirming a deeper pullback. That matters more than just where the stop sits. Traffic light graphic. Section 7 score and confidence rating displayed on screen. HTF bias, green. Liquidity, green. Zone, yellow. OTE, yellow. PA confirmation, red. Fib confluence, red. HTF bias is green. The weekly is clearly bullish. Liquidity is green. We got that clean sweep at 7,656. Zone quality is amber. Decent but split confluence. OTE is amber. We've touched the area but not with full conviction. PA confirmation is red.
no trigger candle yet. And fib confluence is red. The popular method and our SMC zone are pointing at different price levels entirely this time. That's 2 out of 6. Confidence rating low. This stays a watch list idea for now.
4H chart or 2H chart, zoomed into the zone where price must react. The zone is not ready. Protect your capital and wait for full alignment. This is a textbook case of two methods disagreeing, and the disciplined move is simply to wait. If you were watching the fib zone alone, you'd have nothing to show for this move. Patience here is the actual edge.
Daily chart, full overview, zoomed out. Remember, this is market education, not financial advice, so always manage your own risk. Thanks for watching. Drop your own bias for ES 1.1 in the comments, grab the free fib plus traffic light checklist in the description, and hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Stay sharp, stay patient, and stay in the zone.